I'll take the kickstand off and pull the kickstart out. Here we go. Hey, I kick-started it. And keep running now. Put it on half choke. Okay, let's try full choke. No choke before I get tired. I want to flood it out. Okay, that's enough. No choke. Electric start. Half choke. Electric start. So it's only been sitting for like an hour, maybe 2 hours. Probably 2 hours. You know, if you get choked again. That's good information to know, isn't it? Here's going to take off. Path is really over that ramp. I'm not going over that ramp. Try to back up on the tippy toes. Feels good when you start moving and the airflow hits you. So yeah, the fuck is put nicely now. So people are on the lookout for dirt bikes, man. It was actually like a bulletin. It said, I'm gonna make the fuck talk for a minute. It was actually a bulletin. It was like, the police are not gonna chase them because they know it's dangerous. And they said, but if you can safely take a photo at one at a stoplight or something, and report them. Like, seriously? The news is telling people to basically pull their cell phone out while they're driving or in traffic or at a stoplight and photograph someone or try to get a picture of the motorcycle and the license plate and the driver, so that they can add it to their list of suspects. Like, are you like basically putting motorcycles at risk, put their lives in danger by telling people to break the law and operate the cell phone while operating a motor vehicle, and also in the presence of a motorcycle, which is, that's one of the worst things you can be doing, is messing around with your cell phone while you're trying to operate a motor vehicle next to a motorcycle. What if you lose control of your vehicle while you're trying to play cameraman or videographer and you crash into the motorcyclist, or you cause some other traffic situation and cause someone to go around you who don't see the motorcyclist and hit them? This is the most stupidest shit I've ever heard, man. You're gonna encourage someone to get killed, and who's gonna take the liability for that? Is it gonna be the news stations who's like, oh, take a photo, we'll report you to the cops? Is it going to be the news station that takes liability? Is it going to be the person who hit them? Or the person who hit them was the one operating vehicle is going to be the person operating. Is it going to be the person operating the camera? Now you open up a can of freaking worms. Not that I want to be a freaking male Karen or whatever you want to call it. Males like the bitch sometimes. But it's common sense, man. I mean, obviously people who had anything to do with their article don't know anything about motorcycling. This is the most prejudicial thing we ever heard. And in fact, you know, I told my wife, I said, don't be surprised if this shit gets retracted. I mean, seriously, there's gotta be some police officers that do this bullshit also. Telling people to take a photograph if you can safely. Who's the judge who can safely take a photograph? See, everyone thinks they can safely take a photograph. Not everyone can. Yeah, ongoing story with the motorcyclists in Cincinnati, y'all. Apparently there were 4 thugs. They caught individual on some kind of camera, security camera. Oh shit.